Hey guys, welcome back. And today's video, I had an introduction, but I have to redo it, so I am over here again to explain to you what this video is pretty much about. I went on Amazon and you guys know that we got into place, and we're still in the process of decorating our kids' bedroom, and we have done that so much already. Like, this video isn't compared to what it looks now, but this is just a video. Just you guys enjoy, watch me and my son and have fun and decorate his room. Throughout the whole time, he's just excited decorating his room. He loves his room and he just loves having his space. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. I went on Amazon and I bought stickers for his wall. Toy Story. He's a huge fan of Toy Story 4, so that's the reason why I'm purchasing this from Amazon, and it's very fun to go ahead and interact with my son. All right. Ready? Let's get started.
I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. Cause you really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about
Finished. So here's the tour.
when you're not far away. You really make me want wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
You like it?
Yeah, it's getting better now.
Ta-da! Good job!
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why. I'm never really satisfied. Looking at the bed with
Oh,
through your doorway. Imagine
Alright, say bye.
imagine all the stuff.
There you go, it's getting there. Now we just need more of it all around the whole floor.
Really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart.
And bye. Say bye, Kenyon.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
Enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I will see you guys next time. And more.